So let's have a look at this first question. Poonam on 15th December sold all her investments for this amount and suffered a loss of 10% with respect to the last month. And what do you mean by last month? Of course, November. She had invested all her money on 15th of November, which represented a 40% increase over the sum she had in October, which is again the last month, which represented a 30% decrease over the money she had in September, which again represented 20% increase, and with respect to the money in August. So I can say, let us say in August, that is on 15th of August, let us say she had 100 rupees with her. The question says by September, her money had increased by 20%, which means the money had become 120. By October, he says the money decreased by 30% from that. So 120 minus 30% of 120 will give you somewhere around 84. Then in November, what has happened? The money further increased by 40%. So 84 plus 40%. So I just have to multiply it by 1.4. Whenever there is an increase of 40%, you multiply by 1.4. So 1.4 into 84, 14 4s are 56, that is 5, and 14 5s are 70. 14 8s are 112. 112 plus 5 is 117. So 117.6 was the amount in November. And by December, it had further decreased by 10% because he had a loss of 10%. So minus 10% of this, I would say it will be somewhere around 105. I do not want the exact figure. The reason is, question is asking you, find the month in which Poonam had the maximum amount of money. So I can surely say she had the maximum amount of money in September. So what was the exact amount in December? That was actually not important for us. So we can straight away say the answer for us is September. Was this amount of no use? Yes, it was of no use because he did not ask us what was the amount. He just asked us what was the maximum amount of money in any of the months. So that's what we have answered over here, and I would put this question in the category of an easy to moderate level question, right? So answer for this question finally is September as given on your screen.